Hello my 3D printer peeps, I'm here with Amazon Basic Silk Silver PLA. I typically use Elegoo or Giant Arm. Is it possible that this cheap filament can compete with those brands? I'm going to throw a giant mask on a P1S to find out. What's up guys, I am here with Amazon Basics Silk Silver PLA and I'm going to throw it on a P1S with the BQ Revo hot end and throw a giant 10-hour mask print at it. We'll see how it does. Whoa. Holy cow, guys. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Amazon Basics. Oh, my Lord. Holy cow. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wowzers. Holy cow, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Super reflective, super shiny, super silver, and it was super cheap. And the supports came off super easy. This right here is Amazon Basics Silk Silver. This is Elegoo Silk Silver. Elegoo is like my favorite brand on earth. Holy cow, I am beyond impressed. Amazon Basics Silk Filament is the real deal, peeps. Holy cow, absolutely in love with it. I got a whole bunch more spools coming, and it just might be, much to my surprise, my new go-to filament. If you work with silk filament, let me know if you've tried Amazon Basics. If you haven't, I recommend that you do. Links in my description. I'm Mr. Greg, and this is 3D Rundown.